This is Instant Pulikachal or Instant Puliodharai from Sujan Fan Kitchen. This too is a Meenama's recipe, and believe me, this Pulikachal, this Instant Pulikachal is absolutely scrumptious and it's very useful as you can make it and keep it in your fridge for days and days, and you can impress your guests as soon as they are going to come. You can just turn out yummy puliodharai and buy some chips and make some avial and impress them like anything. Most importantly, no spending hours in the kitchen making pulikachal. So this is one measure of tamarind, and then this is one measure of black till, and then one measure of coriander seeds, and then just 1/4 measure is chana dal, yes, and 1/4 measure is black pepper, and then just 1.5 teaspoons or 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds or methi seeds, and then we have Kashmiri red chilli powder for the color. It's maybe 2 to 3 teaspoons, and then I've taken some 20 or 24 red chillies, and this is Asaefotida. Heat some oil in a pan and start roasting coriander seeds and fry over sim flame. Remember to keep the flame at the lowest. Fry till it is golden and aromatic, and then keep it aside and add some more oil and start roasting chana dal and followed by black pepper. So always remember to keep the flame at the lowest. Yes, till flavor emanates. Keep this two aside. Next add, this is till, black till or white till. I'm adding black till. So roast it till it pops. Everything over sim flame. You need lot of patience, as Venkatesh Bhaji says. Keep the roasted till aside, and then add some more oil and start frying red chillies. Yes, red chillies. Remember to lower the flame. Yes, roast the red chillies and then transfer to a big plate, and then add some oil, and then main ingredient is tamarind. First clean the tamarind of its seeds and some fibre and start roasting it. Yes, roast it well. Yes, over slim flame, keep roasting, and then add some turmeric powder, and then this is Kashmiri red chilli powder. Yeah, this is for the color. Yes, by now I had switched off the flame, so do the same. So, and then finally add Asaefotida or hing. So allow everything to cool in a wide plate like this. Allow everything to cool down or come to room temperature. Yes, and did I forget methi seeds? You need to roast methi seeds also. Yes, now when it comes to room temperature, the Puliodharai instant mix ingredients, grind them. I ground them in half the quantity because it was quite huge. Yes, so grind it till it is a fine powder. Yes, this is the first batch. So I have a smooth powder. Yes, this is the entire lot. See, wow, I have instant puliodharai mix ready. So I'm ready to impress my guests now. Add some til oil, which is very important. Then into it go mustard seeds, and then cashew nuts or ground nuts. And then comes curry leaves. Yes, for the flavor. Yes, and then switch off the flame and then add, or just reduce the flame to the minimum. Then add instant pulikachal powder. Yes, 2 heaped tablespoons, or suit yourself according to your taste. Everything over the lowest flame. Yes, or you can even switch it off, and then add cooked rice into it, softly cooked rice. Yes, add it. Remember, we have already added salt into the instant Puliodharai mix. So now toss and mix, toss and mix. Wow! Absolutely flavorful Puliodharai ready. Oh my god. Friends, you must try this, at least for my sake. Trust me, it tastes great. Yeah. Wow. Once this instant Pulikachal or Puliodharai powder is ready, you can easily make ready lunch box for the kids or for the entire family. You can make it ready in no time, so it saves lot of time. So don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like my video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends and family. And as always, have fun cooking and stay healthy. Thanks for watching my video. Bye bye.